Hello guys, so today I am doing the illusion makeup. For illusion makeup you can either use aqua makeup from Cryolan or Mehron makeup, or you can also use oil based body paints or face colors. Some of the trending brands are Athena and Hugen. So what I did first, I used this brush to make this line across the face. I'm going to create a negative space today. So I have already drawn this line so that your time is not wasted. I have done a little bit preparation. I have done a little bit of skin prep at first. I cleansed my face, toned my face, and then applied a gel based moisturizer. Since I have an oily skin, that is the reason. It also acts as a primer in most cases. But if you have got large pores, then you should use a pore minimizing primer. Right guys? So you can already see that how I have made this line. So I have created a negative space today. I'll be doing this part normally and this is the illusion part. What you need is a brush, a palette, steel plate or palette, and a sponge or blender. You can also do this with a foundation brush, and you can also use it with your fingers and a blender, right guys? So this is the beginning of this adventurous journey called creative makeup, right? Be with me and I will tell you how to do it. In this entire space I'm going to create this, so I'm going to build up slowly. Whenever we are doing some kind of makeup, always remember that less is more. So I have just applied a thin layer. I will be applying 2 more layers and will be doing gradients and contouring on this part also. So guys, see, after I have done this, now you can do it lighter or darker according to the look or character you are trying to emulate, right? I have already done my eyebrows and I'm now going to do some contouring this side and along this negative space guideline or partition line. I'm using this sponge. You can use any kind of sponge. I have already said you can use your fingers. Actually using fingers is the best, but when we are doing an editorial makeup, your model may not like your fingers because of hygiene issues, and especially due to the pandemic, it's better to go for a blender or a brush. Please sanitize your makeup equipment after each editorial shoot, that's for sure. So I'm done this contouring. First I used a brush and I've already applied a powder. Today I have applied a translucent powder. You can use any brand. Now I want to tell you something guys, you will get translucent powder in yellow shade, then shades according to your skin tone, neutral shade. Neutral shade is best for such cases so that it does not hide the shade underneath. Okay, so I'll show you the look. See guys, I have done this shading. I'm using a black eyeshadow for this. I'm using this black eyeshadow. I won't be specifically mentioning any brands all the time. I can give you an idea. Now you can purchase makeup according to your own budget. There are various categories today in professional makeup. If you are doing it for self-practice or your own portfolio, then you can do with the reasonably priced ones. And if you are doing it for a ramp shoot or for a professional editorial where you are going to get paid, in that case you can go for the big brands like Mehron, Cryolan and all, and their shades are really vibrant. Today I'm using Athena. You can also use iMagic. They basically have the same shades, but iMagic has I think around 12 and in Athena there's 20 shades, and the price is almost the same. According to me, Athena or You Can Be is the most profitable one, because in the same price at a difference of 100-200 rupees you will get more shades, around 20 and they're around 12. So here I'm making this eye shade. It's more of a halo eyes. Today I'm keeping the middle part empty. You can use a foundation base again, but today I will be directly using the white eyeshadow for the halo effect. See, I've already contoured the face. You can add on some shadow here if you feel that you want some more. This is powder shadow. I'm done with the cream part, and I've already set it with the translucent powder. So I'm using this powder shadow on the cream to give it a more brighter effect. You have to blend it more. So I'll be now applying a white shadow. See, I'm doing it with a finger. And how you want your eyebrows is totally up to you. A bit unkempt look is good for such looks. You don't need to make them perfect. As for bridal and beauty makeup, you can widen your eyes, guys, with the Glam 21 makeup pencil in white. This is how you can make your eyes bigger. Guys, so we are almost done with this side of the face, and you can darken this or lighten this. I will do some more contouring, but first let me do the other side, the positive side. You can have fun with creative makeup. It totally depends on you as to how you want to bring the look. We are doing the pink color over here, pink eyeshadow and pink lips. I've already applied a base. You can add some shine as well. I've set it with the powder. It's also translucent powder. It's good to use translucent powder. This is my palette. I'm going to use this pink now for eyeshadow. After I build up some color on the eyes, in the same way as I did on this side, I'll build up the color and depth on both sides. And then I will set it with translucent powder. And I also do the eyebrows, which I'm just showing it to you first. And I will be doing a bit of white in between. I'll also apply false lashes, and I'll also apply this eyeliner on this side too. At this moment I'm using my finger. You have to learn to do makeup in any kind of light condition. This is good, I guess. So guys, my look is complete. See, this is the positive side with pink eyeshadow. I have done the eyebrows and have applied a bit of sheen eyeshadow. Right, can you see now? How is this side, guys? I've already applied the eyelashes also, as I told you. This is like normal beauty makeup. And now the negative side, my dark side. Can you see? This is my dark side, guys. See? How do you like this look? Let me know. See? I'm going to show you uncut. You can even see the highlights, flame red highlights. My hair. I'm so much engrossed. So when we are doing those creative looks, you can just tie your hair. This is coming off because I've applied less glue. I think I'll make a video on how to apply lashes. Many people need it. You can do it with fingers also. You don't need tools all the time. Tools are definitely good, but fingers are God's gift. So you can see. So I think you're really loving this look, guys. So this is my illusion makeup with negative space and positive space. Keep watching Aparajita's Fitness Mantra for more such makeup, beauty, wellness, and other sections of the wellness industry. It cannot get better than this, really.